you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business, not because they want to do it, just because they heard.
Hey guys, it's your boy 300 Moper coming back with another little video here. We're over here in Dallas at Gas Monkey Garage. Trying not to show you guys what's in front of me quite yet, but you're gonna realize real quick what it is. I'm guessing everybody's gonna recognize it. We're gonna talk to the guy that now owns it and kind of get his opinion, what he thinks about it, thoughts, opinions, and we'll kind of go from there. I know you guys ain't seen it yet, so I'm gonna show you. We did put new wheels on the Jeep, so I'm gonna show you that really quick. Stay tuned for what's coming next. We're doing the lift kit, we're doing the bumpers, we're doing everything. Going straight to the top, full audio, full everything you can think of. So if you guys are excited to see that, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, go ahead, drop a comment, let me know what you think of the new wheels. And if there's something else you guys want to see, drop in the comments and let me know what you think. So we're gonna go ahead, show you the wheels really quick, and then I'm gonna show you what is sitting in front of me. Trying to do this so that you guys don't see what's sitting beside me, but let me know what you think. Blue wheels, blue Jeep. Something a little bit different. They're 20s, 33s, but the main focal, if you guys ain't told, look what we found. Yeah, it didn't go very far, as you can see. It ain't mine. Don't be getting no hopes and dreams, because we ain't getting it back. This guy got it now. He's gonna do his thing with it and have fun with it. So I'm gonna turn to him. I'm gonna ask him a few questions, what he thinks about it, and we'll kind of go from there. We ain't gonna make this a long video, dragged on video talking about the same things over and over again, but we'll just kind of get his opinion and we'll go from there. Also, I'm gonna have him give his Instagram name as well, so go ahead and pause the video, do what you gotta do, go over there and hit that follow button, show him some love, that way you can see the car stuff you want to see it. I'm sure he'll post some pictures on Instagram as well. So with that being said, we're gonna turn over there. Now this is the man that owns the beautiful 300. So what's your thoughts on it?
Oh man, it's a beautiful ride, man. You know, hello world. My name Cash. You know, follow me on Instagram, sir_finesse. That's FYNESSE_the best. You know, the 300 is you did a great job. I can't lie. I mean, the compliments. You know, everybody just like in traffic, like the light show. You know, everything, the rims, the tint, the emblem, like everything is just perfectly set, man. I love it.
Yeah, like I was telling him too. I mean, we left everything on it. As you guys can obviously see, the headlights stayed with it. You still see it's got the whole halos in it. It's still got the underglow in it. It's still, I mean, everything that you guys seen on it stayed with it, minus the floor mats. The only thing that didn't stay with the car was the floor mats that were in it. Obviously, weren't in it no more, but meeting up today, he got the SRT pages, which is the Z Automotive, the Taser, which he's gonna put back in there. Obviously, you guys have seen the video on that, I'm sure. But I mean, like I said, his Instagram's right there too. Go ahead, go over there, follow it. I'll put it on the screen at the bottom as well, so you guys can physically see it, and you ain't gotta try and remember it. I'll also put it down in the description as well, so you can just click on it and it'll take you right to his page. So I mean, like we said before, let me know what you guys think. New wheels, what do you guys want to see next? You want to see some off-road stuff? You want to see the Jeep get muddy? What you want to see? We'll make it happen. But until next time, it's your boy 300 Mopar. We'll catch you in the next one.
Younger kids, like us, me.